Hello everyone and welcome to English Vanessa. In today's video we are going to discuss content writing, what it is and how to write it effectively. So let's get started. So content writing basically is the process of creating written material for digital or print media with a specific purpose such as informing, educating, entertaining or persuading an audience. It includes blogs, posts, articles, social media posts, website content, and many more. A well structured piece of content generally follows this format, as you can see on the screen. The title, headline, which is a compelling title that grabs attention of the reader. Then next comes introduction. While writing content, you should briefly introduce the topic and engage the reader. Then next comes body, the main content, which is divided into clear sections with subheadings, bullet points, and relevant details. Then at last, conclusion. Here you have to summarize key points and provides a call to action if any requirement is there. Now, content writing is a process that happens in three stages. As you can see here, pre-writing, writing, and post-writing. So let's break each stage down in simple terms. So here is the first one. Pre-writing means planning and researching the topic. So before you start writing, you need to plan. This stage helps you organize your thoughts and gather information. Now, if we see the steps in pre-writing, the first step is understand your purpose. Means why are you writing? Is it to inform, persuade, or entertain or explain something? And then you should know your audience. Who will read your content? Students or professionals or any general reader? Then you should also research your topic. Read books, articles, or websites to gather information and facts before writing content. Then, after doing all these things, make an outline, means write down the main points you want to cover. This makes writing easier. For example, if you are writing an article on healthy eating, your outline might look like first introduction, where you will describe why is healthy eating important. Then comes body of the content. There you will inform or write the benefits of a balanced diet, what food to eat and what to avoid, and simple tips to maintain a healthy diet. Then at last conclusion where you have to encourage the readers to make better food choices. Now it's time to write your first draft based on the outline you created. Means after the first step, the pre-writing, the next one is writing and drafting and developing your content. Now here there are some steps in writing. The first one is start with a catchy introduction. Means the introduction is something which grab the reader's attention, and you should start your introduction or your topic with a question, or it could be fact or interesting statement. Then write the body clearly. Explain your points in detail using short paragraphs, bullet points, and simple language. And you should also use examples, means real life examples or facts that make your content more engaging. Then write a strong conclusion at last. Here you have to summarize the main idea and, if needed, add a call to action like encourage the readers to eat healthy things. Now your content is written, but the work isn't finished yet. Now you need to review and improve it. Now the other steps in post writing. So the first step is check for mistakes, means you have to read your content to fix spelling, grammar and punctuation errors. Then improve clarity. Here you have to remove unnecessary words and make sentences simple. Then the format. Use headings, subheadings, and bullet points for easy reading. Then ask a friend or Use online tools like Grammarly to check your work, means to get the feedback. Is there any changes that are required or any correction? Then publish or share your content, means once you are happy with the content, then you should post it on a blog, website, or social media. So good content writing is a step by step process. If you follow these three stages, your writing will be clear, engaging, and effective. Now here, as you can see on the screen, I have written two examples. The first one is easy tips to improve your writing skills. This is the topic for content writing. So here I have started with first introduction. So in the introduction I have explained that how you can improve your writing skills. So you should give the intro like good writing skills are essential, means you have to show the importance of good writing skills. Then in the body of the content you should show the strategies that if someone want to improve their writing skills, then they have to read regularly, practice writing daily, keep it simple and clear, then edit and proofread, then seek feedbacks, then at the last conclusion. So in this way you have to write content writing. First the title, introduction, and in the main body that's divided into subheadings and the paragraphs, then at last conclusion. The second example of content writing is the impact of social media on mental health. So this is the title, the impact of social media on mental health. Here the introduction, you should describe the social media. Then here you have main body, that is the content, body content of the content writing. Here you should show first positive effects of social media, then the negative effects of social media. Then at last you should show how to use social media wisely. Then at last conclusion. So you have seen two examples of content writing. It's a simple structure, just the headline means the title of the content writing, your topic. Then briefly explain your topic means give introduction to your topic to grab the attention of the reader. Then main body, here you have to describe in detail that the advantages and disadvantages of the topic. Then along with examples. Then at last conclusion, here you have to summarize the main points. So these are the steps that you should follow while writing your content writing: pre-writing, writing, and post-writing. In pre-writing, first you should plan your writing, that what you are going to write, then research on it, then you have to start writing. Then post-writing, after writing you should edit, or you should edit your writing before publishing it. So this is all for today's video content writing. I hope it would be helpful for you. Stay tuned for more videos and thanks for watching.